Alright, so in this video I want to talk about how you can adjust windows on the screen as I mentioned in the book you had purchased. So this involves, kind of snapping windows to one side or the other, or one corner of the other. So the easiest way you can do this, if you're already using the mouse, is I'll show you with the mouse first, and then I'll show you the keyboard shortcuts. You can do this with the active window. So I've got 4 different applications open on my screen. So say I want to move this Word document over to the left, I drag it all the way over, and then you kind of see that little pop-up, how it's going to pop, and then you can do it there. And then now, if you wanted to put another app just to the right of it, you can select from another of your open apps, and boom, it automatically snaps. And then you can just drag them back to undo that. Now say I wanted to kind of tile more than 2 apps, so let's say I want to do 3, so let's put Word back. We got the snap, but I don't want to snap this time, so I'm just going to click back on the Word document, and now I want to put the Excel kind of up here in this top right corner. And then in the last deal, I'll just click the next app I want, and I want to snap in Notepad. So you can do that, or you can do the same where you put everything in its own corner, and then you can have 4 different tiled apps here. So let's go ahead and kind of unsnap everything. Alright, so now let me go over the keyboard shortcuts for you. And you'll see the key commands pop up on the screen. So we're going to start with the Word document. So I have that selected here, and I want to maximize it, so it's going to be the Windows key and the up arrow, and that will maximize it. So if I want to unmaximize it, you can do basically the opposite, the Windows key and the down arrow. And okay, so now you want to snap it to the left. It's the Windows key and the left arrow. And I'm just going to select it here again. But now that I'm here, and I'm still want to use the keyboard, and say I want to bring it up because I want to put something else, well, it's already snapped to the left, but I want to the top left corner. You just hit the Windows key and up arrow, and it'll just kind of bring it up to that quarter of the screen. And again, you can do the snap it over, Windows key right, and then undo it, and then kind of undo it again. And so that's essentially how you can quickly navigate around. So say you want to see your desktop, kind of close all the windows, you can do the Windows key D, and that'll just minimize everything. And you do the Windows key D again, and that brings everything back up. So in a very basic sense, that is kind of how you're going to do it with the mouse and the keyboard. And again, I will show you, you can easily put everything into corners with different methods. And you have all your apps tiled on the desktop.